help people in need, especially if they're famous.
I'll have to tell to make audience why they don't get to see Sherry perform tonight or ever.
No, you won't. This is my fault. I said I could handle this, and I'm not going to let you down, Daddy. Trying to impress your dad? Freaking out. Making his friend? Ruin her life? Why do people even try?
That job? Fume. That's so cool. You get to sit and work at a desk. There's papers, sometimes pens. Mr. Shepard doesn't know what he's talking about. He was kind of choked out there. I think Ms. Jarvis is right. Hey, I'm not scared. Ah! Sorry, dude. Just got scared. Ah! Really sorry. Just should have walked over and put it in the garbage. No, thank you. Couldn't care less.
Gargling pickle juice just makes you never want to eat pickles again.
Have you tried the old foot in the ear trick?
This isn't Sunday night dinner at your house.
I started this, so I'll end it. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Hold it. Now, let out the loudest belch you possibly can. Talk like you've never booked before. Hiccups won't always hit them.
So what? All that did was embarrass me.
Now look, kid over there has a crush on you. Oh, I love it first burp. Get strong. I've been walking to people's fathers, my screaming fear hasn't gotten in the way. Evidence. See. Old straw. Old straw! Map of the hallways. Shepherd's old donut. Nipples at Mr. Mark. Dad! How could I have been so blind? Next question. Why am I touching another guy's spit? Ew. Danny Stillwater, come in. I repeat, Danny Stillwater, come in. Hey, Mr. Shepard, the spitball is in the building. I repeat, the spitball is in the building.
Excuse me, coming through. This is an emergency. What? My hair? I like it too. Time for another gal's night out? No. So we no more girls' nights out. For you or for me. But we all had fun this afternoon. That doesn't mean y'all should give up your career. You know when you told me about singing in front of thousands of people, and I said, I know what you mean? I don't. Ever since I was a little girl, I dreamed of doing what you do. Yeah, but if one day at the mall we're losing all that, if it is, then let's go get some 5-6 cigarettes. I'm 7. Maybe for me. If that's not what you want, I know there's a bunch of people just dying to hear you sing. See? That's why you're a hey gal.
You're going gal.
You got me.
Dude, you couldn't choke out there. Hey, how did that your head? Which should I be? Which way is really me? You got me. Dude, you kind of choked out there. Which would I know? Time to say Bobby. When I get my hands on him, that spitball is going to pay. Look! We're close. Dude, why are you staring at me looking all threatening? Walter, look out! Just a spitball, I'll be fine. Also have to burn this tie now. That spitball is meant for me. Somewhere, there's a spitball with pollen in it. Sounds gigantic. How do you know it was narcotic? The spitballs are made for pages of a Blizzard comic book. You caught it?
Yes, I did, and all thanks to Michael's brilliant desk work.
Why narcotic? Why? I'll tell you why. Because he was angry. Angry as a hall monitor, is always telling him what to do. Don't litter, don't run, don't put chewed gum on the drinking fountains. He joined our ranks just so he could bring us down. But we're not going anywhere. I would have gotten away with it if it hadn't been for you.
Baby, it gets good.
Luck struck.
I'm proud of you, Honeybee. When I was a young man working at a record label, I had to convince a rock band to return to the stage.
And you succeeded brilliantly?
Nope, the rock band walked out, and I had to sing instead. There's a reason I'm not a rock star.
You've got to help me.
Okay, alright, I got one last trick. Purely experimental, but it might work. You up for it?
Yes,
Remember, it's experimental.
just do it. I told him, I vouched, I brought my pickle juice, The hiccups. They're gone. You just kissed me.
Look at this.
You know what got rid of my hiccups? Thanks so much, y'all, and I wouldn't be your tonight for Amanda, and I happen to know she's one heck of a singer. So give it up for the fierce Miss Pierce. Thanks, Jerry, and thanks, Daddy. This one's for you.
Yeah, what about it?
Just an experiment to cure the hiccup?
No, it's the allure of pickle breath. Father made that part clear.
He did, but I was doing a little bit of reading about hiccups.
Of course there was.
And they aren't just caused by spicy foods. They start if you're nervous, like over a test or a deadline, or if you lied about a kiss. So you better be telling the truth or you might get the hiccup.
Alright, why would I lie? I only kissed you to cure the hiccup.